We've just acquired this BMW diesel. It's not our usual stock, it's one we've took in part exchange, but we can check it over. It's had new tyres, 4 new tyres all the way around. It's got a few extras on this as well. It's got park distance control. It's the 120D. Just serviced it. Just had a 12-month MOT. Got the privacy glass at the back. So it's not in bad condition for its age, mileage. Boot area is in lovely condition. This is where it's rest. Got a nice electric tilt slide sunroof. A full leather interior. Different driving styles. Just start it up. It's even got navigation, so it's fully spec'd up. That's why we decided to sell it after having a look. Mileage is 119,602 miles. It's got heated seats as well. I'll check them out. Radio, Bluetooth, and it's also got DAB radio. So it's a fully loaded BMW 1 Series, so a very good price. DJH, full dealer facilities. Require any further information, please just call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.